Okay, Ryan, so this is the Scarlet Macaw aviary. I haven't trained these guys in here at the moment. They have been moved to a new aviary. So this is River, he's 2 years old, and this is Cha Cha, she's 4. So I've been training them doing the basic commands so they know how to step up and step down. I'm just working on the recall, well, better recall with them so they can fly on the arm and then fly back to their stand. And before we move them into the new aviary, I could get them to step on my arm and step down onto a smaller T stand that was on the scale, so I got a weight off River, but I haven't been able to do that in this aviary just yet.